When it comes to data, the situation is becoming better and better, thanks to modern sensors and communication infrastructure. 50 years ago, we could rely on our experience, what happened, or we could also rely on our modeling approaches, but having in mind that we have lots of modern type of sensors measuring voltages, currents, we are talking about synchrophasor, for example, which are obtained using phasor measurement units. It is time synchronized technology. This time synchronization can be done by using satellite technology, so that we measure so-called synchrophasors, voltage phasors, current phasors, and we send them every 20 milliseconds to data acquisition system over communication infrastructure. So that over last 15 years, let's say 15, the quantity of data available, stored, is increased. It happened also in the past, but the question was if data were used for some specific applications. However, today, thanks to sensor and communication infrastructure and technologies, what means I call it smart grid, we have increased quantity of data available. Or let me simplify. In the past, we didn't have data and we had a problem. But today, we have lots of data and we have a problem. The question is how to extract knowledge for database. Also, how to trust database because of potential cyber attacks. What means we are now opening another topic, it is cybersecurity. However, I personally expect that in future we will have to pay for data, and that I estimate, that's my expectation, that in maybe 10-20 years information will be available, but the information should be paid. So one aspect is what can be shared with others as information, and what is the price of information. And I expect and I believe that such a market will be created in future. And I'm also talking about reliable information based on which we can bring decisions. As a matter of fact, energy-hungry facilities like data centers, I like your description, they will use more and more energy of the system. They have, firstly, cooling systems asking for supply. They have IT parts. They have UPS, uninterruptible power supply, inside. They have some other auxiliary parts. And I think that one of aspects is to have co-installed small modular reactors, nuclear reactors, which are also clean from CO2 pollution perspective. However, there is a need, and there will be a need, for collaboration with IT experts. What means? If we are experiencing peak demand, and to shave this demand and to control this demand, this peak, we could also collaborate with IT experts, and from their side, they could postpone, for example, some of CPU, central processing unit, demanding activities like training of AI-based applications, and they could also go to the option of migrating their tasks from one data center to another data center which is far away, and this is like task replacement. These days I am working on these questions